we are going to learn blood circulatory system in human beings. Blood circulatory system in human beings. So if you see here, this is the diagram of human heart showing 4 different chambers. The chambers of human heart are right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. These are the 4 chamber, 4 box of human heart. See further, you can see that we have 2 openings called superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Are you looking or not? Yes. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, in which the impure blood is collected from these 2 vena cava in the right auricle. First of all, the impure blood is collected at right auricle. Then the same impure blood called deoxygenated blood is further pumped to right ventricle. It is pumped to right ventricle by a valve known as tricuspid valve. What is the name of the valve? Tricuspid valve. The blood is collected here in the right ventricle. After that, the same impure, that is deoxygenated blood, is pumped to the lungs for further purification by artery known as pulmonary artery. This is called pulmonary artery. This helps to carry impure blood from right ventricle to the lungs. Inside the lungs, there is a capillary where exchange of gases takes place. That is, the blood is pure now. The blood is purified in the lungs. Now the blood contains oxygen and it becomes oxygenated blood. What it becomes? Oxygenated blood. That is called pure blood, and the same pure blood is taken back to the left auricle by a vein known as pulmonary vein. Now the blood is collected in left auricle. And what type of blood is there in left auricle? Pure blood or impure blood? Pure blood. We have pure blood or oxygenated blood. Further, the same oxygenated blood is pumped to left ventricle. It is pumped to left ventricle by a valve known as bicuspid valve. The name of the valve here involved here is bicuspid valve. Then the blood is collected in the left ventricle. From the left ventricle again, the blood is pumped to different parts of the body. It is pumped to different parts of the body through a largest and biggest artery known as aorta. This is the only one largest and biggest artery through which blood is pumped to different parts of the body and distributed to all different parts of the body. Do you follow? Yes, sir. Okay. Now one more thing. The circulation of blood from human heart. Circulation of blood from human heart to the lungs and from lungs to the human heart with the help of pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein is known as pulmonary circulation. What do you call? Pulmonary circulation. Are you getting points or not? Yes, sir. The circulation of blood from human heart to the lungs and from lungs to the human heart with the help of pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein is known as pulmonary circulation. Whereas the circulation of blood from human heart to all parts of the body and from all parts of the body back to the human heart is known as systemic circulation. So this is all about circulatory system of blood in human beings. Do you follow? Yes, sir. Understood? Yes, sir. Very good.